Hello students, good morning to all. Yesterday we discussed the lesson Purity is Power, the second part of lesson 5. Today we are going to do the question answer of the lesson 5 part 2. Then you will complete the question answer in your notebook and send it to me. Today we will complete all the questions. There are mainly 11 questions in the section B. First question, in which areas we need purity? कौन से एरियाज में हमें प्योरिटी की जरूरत पड़ती है, तो वो हम बता रहे हैं. तो ये पेज नंबर 34 पर आपका आंसर है, वहां से भी आप देख सकते हैं. वी वांट प्योरिटी, प्योर फूड, प्योर वाटर, प्योर एयर. वी लॉन्ग फॉर प्योर सराउंडिंग्स. We yearn for pure heart and pure love. We prefer pure environment and pure society. We are fond of purity because purity promotes health. Impurities are injurious to health. तो ये आप बुक में से भी देखकर इस क्वेश्चन को कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, राइट द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ प्योरिटी ऑफ इन्वायरमेंट. तो प्योरिटी ऑफ इन्वायरमेंट का क्या इंपॉर्टेंस है, तो आप इसको लिख सकते हैं. प्योरिटी ऑफ इन्वायरमेंट इज मस्ट नीडेड फॉर ओवरऑल हेल्थ. इफ वी वांट टू अचीव द फिजिकल हेल्थ और इफ वी वांट टू अचीव द मेंटल हेल्थ, द प्योरिटी ऑफ द इन्वायरमेंट इज कंपल्सरी, मैंडेटरी और नेसेसरी. This is the question number 2. Third question, what different tasks were assigned to Yudhishthira and Duryodhana? क्या डिफरेंट टास्क उनको गिवन किए गए युधिष्ठिर और दुर्योधन को, ये भी आपको बुक में पेज नंबर 34 पर है. द एल्डेस्ट ऑफ द पांडवास युधिष्ठिरा was asked to bring one bad person from the society. The eldest of the Kauravas, Duryodhana, was asked to fetch one good person from the same society in Hastinapur. After a thorough search, both the cousins returned empty-handed. This is the answer of question number 3. Now we are moving to the fourth question. उसमें एक statement given है. Child, the food is insufficient for you. You may have this also. What does this statement suggest about Baba Hari Baba attitude? तो ये स्टेटमेंट उन साधु के बारे में क्या बताता है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो आपको ये स्टेटमेंट लिखना है. चाइल्ड, द फूड इज इनसफिशिएंट फॉर यू. यू मे हैव दिस आल्सो. द स्टेटमेंट शोज द प्योर and pious character of Baba Hari Baba. The affectionate word and the kind behavior of the sadhu changed the attitude of the thief completely. This is the question number 4. Now we are moving to the fifth question. How did the thief react when Baba Hari Baba offered him more food? तो thief ने कैसा रिएक्ट किया? The thief was wonderstruck and quietly surprised when Baba Hari Baba offered him more food. He was completely surprised. There was a change in him, and the kind behavior, the nice behavior of the sadhu changed the thief into a good fellow. Now we are moving to the sixth question. मेंशन द मैनर ऑफ गौतम तपस्या. ऋषि गौतम की तपस्या के मैनर को बताना है. ये पेज नंबर 35 पर आपको सेकंड पैरा में मिल जाएगा. Once upon a time, one particular rishi called Gautam did tapasya to obtain certain powers. For several days, months and years he observed rigorous austerities. He did not eat or drink. He stood on one single foot. He controlled the senses. He meditated on the chosen deity. This is the answer of question number 6. Now we are moving to the seventh question. I was serving my husband and feeding my children, what does this statement suggest about the lady's attitude? तो ये एटीट्यूड, ये जो स्टेटमेंट है उस लेडी के बारे में क्या बताता है? तो पहले इस स्टेटमेंट को लिखना है. आई वॉज सर्विंग माई हस्बैंड एंड फीडिंग माई चिल्ड्रन. द स्टेटमेंट शोज दैट द लेडी वॉज completely sincere towards her duties and she knows her responsibilities very well. That's why she was doing her duties with sincerity. This is the question number 7. Now, the man was bright with purity. How does the author bring this out? The man was bright with purity. He did not read any kind of scripture and he did not observe any kind of tapasya, but he was sincere in his duties. He was faithful and he was loving without selfishness. Now question number 9. How was Gautam's ego purified? When Gautam reached the place directed by the lady, he was completely shocked and surprised because that person was an ordinary man, and in the presence of that person, Gautam's ego purified, his pride of tapasya disappeared, he turned modest. This is the question number 9. Now we are moving to the 10th question. Who is pure according to the author? तो ये आपको पेज नंबर 35 पर नीचे से सेकंड लास्ट पैरा में, the person who is sincere in service, faithful in doing duties and loving without selfishness is pure. The power of purity is very high and priceless. This is the question number 10. Now we are moving to the last question. What is the importance of pure atmosphere? तो पेज नंबर 36 नीचे से फोर्थ लाइन. It is not enough if we are born pure. We should also be brought up in a pure atmosphere among the cultured people, else the inborn purity will wither away or will get eclipsed by the contaminating time and place of impure environment. तो ये सारे क्वेश्चंस आपको करने हैं. That's all for today.